So do the problem yourself, then error analyze. Is that a word? Error analyze. Dennis tried to reduce the following, expressions to lowest terms. So we're going to simplify this, okay? So do you guys remember what I said to you guys as you were walking out the door yesterday? How do we simplify this big, nasty, ugly fraction? We have to factor the top and the bottom, and then we cancel out common factors. Okay, guys, since they both, the polynomial on the top and the polynomial on the bottom, start with a 1, we can do this in our head. What two numbers multiply to give you 9, but then add to give you negative 6?
Negative 3.
All right, so we have x minus 3 twice. And you can say squared if you want, but I'm trying to make this look easy. Okay, so this multiplied out would give you that. Okay, what multiplies to give you negative 12, but adds to give you positive 1? X, is it positive 4 or negative 4?
Positive.
So positive 4, and then x minus 3. Yeah, that's right. Positive 4 and negative 3 will multiply to give you negative 12. And then if you add 4 and negative 3, you get positive 1. So do you guys see a factor we can cancel out?
Yeah.
Okay, they died. No, I said I didn't say I can't scream. I said I shouldn't scream. Okay, so it's simplified. Now, can I cancel anything else out? I know what some of you guys want to do. You guys want to come along here. You're like, screw you, X. And you want to get rid of him? No, you cannot do that. You cannot do that because that is a whole term right there. Whenever there's addition or subtraction, the plus 3 goes with the X, or the minus 3 goes with the X. Okay, you can't look at X like he's his own factor. He's not. Okay, X is part of the minus 3, and this X is part of the plus 4. So you can't cancel anything else out. Okay, so you just got to leave it like that. Now let's check out Dennis. Is it Dennis or Denise? I don't know. Dennis, okay. This is his work, factoring the numerator. Okay, that's good. Factoring the denominator. Hey, that's what we got. Hey, we got the same stuff. Good job. Okay, so they wrote this out. It looks like they canceled out the x minus 3. Yay. And then they wrote this. Excluded values. X does not equal negative 4. Now, do you guys know what that means? What excluded value is? You see, you can never, ever, ever, ever divide by 0. In fact, if you ask Siri sometimes what something is divided by 0, sometimes she'll insult you and tell you you have no friends. I don't know if they changed that, but it's pretty funny if it happens to you guys. You guys can play with that later and see what happens. So, guys, I have a question. What value of x, if I plug a value into these x's right here, would not work? What value of x would make a 0 for the denominator? A negative 4. See, if I plug a negative 4 in there, what's going to happen to this factor? What's he going to be? You plug a negative 4 here, you plug a negative 4 here, you plug a negative 4 here, you plug a negative 4 here. They're all good except for this guy, because that guy will be 0. And if you take this 0 and multiply it to whatever that is, you will have a 0 in the denominator. So guess what value we have to exclude? Negative 4. Okay, is there another value that we have to exclude? Yeah, look at this guy. What would make this factor 0? A positive 3. So if these were all 3s, same problem. And so we have to say that 3 is excluded, and so is negative 4. So what did Dennis forget? Forgot the 3. He didn't exclude the 3, which makes the denominator in the original expression. That's huge. It's the original, not the simplified one. This is the simplified one, right? No. You have to consider the original, okay? The original expression. So the answer is B on this one. All right, so that's a quick explanation or modeling of how you would simplify this big, nasty, ugly dude.